Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have got this for you. I'm very excited, very excited. So I have made a purchase with love from Lizzie. It's my very first purchase ever. And I'm so excited to show it to you. I haven't looked at anything. Yeah, so I've got this. Lovely. Okay, and the collection that I've got, if I'm right, if I can remember, is oh Santa. I think I should have really took more notice of it. I'm hoping it's going to say on it. So yeah, but I've got a couple of add-ons as well. So yeah, I got some proper peel-offs. And it's not an add-on for this. This is vintage Christmas. I do believe this is what these ones are called. So yeah, awesome. I have no idea what they're called. I'm going to check them out the packet because it'll be shiny. So I'm very excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? I can't get them out. There we go. Right, here we are. Dawn will know what these are called. She gets love from Lizzie all of the time. And she's probably got this one. Yeah, probably. So, these are absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea what they're called. I know the peel-offs, but the colours and that. So, this one, it's like a greeny black. Like a greeny black, and we have a pink, we have a brownish colour, and we have a red. Oh my god, awesome. So yeah, that I'm sure it's called Vintage Christmas. That's from that, but it was out of stock, so I couldn't get that one. But I got this one and the add-ons as well. So let's tuck in and have a look. Oh my god. Please come out of the bag. I want to look at you. Let's put the bag out of the way. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. So we have sequins, beautiful sequins, gorgeous colours. So we have them. Oh, we get dies as well. So we've got ho, ho, ho. We've got Noel. I think that one says Merry Christmas, and you also get the layering die as well. Lovely. Actually, it might be called Ho Ho Christmas or Ho Christmas. I don't know. I don't know. You get little gemmies. Lovely. You get a stamp set. Absolutely gorgeous stamp set. Yeah. All different sentiments. I'll try and read them. Merry Christmas. It's all fun and games. I can't see what that says. Till Santa checks the naughty list. Oh, okay. All is calm, all is bright. It's a wonderful time of year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. That's a nice one. I like that one. Season's greetings and merry and bright. And you get all these other little fillers. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh, you get the bows as well. And I got the add-on, the Christmas ribbon. So, yes, I thought there's not going to be enough in there, so I want all of the ribbon. So I got all of the ribbon. So yeah, this is an add-on. So I'm so happy. Then we get these toppers. Stickers or toppers? I don't know. Oh, tags. They've got holes in them. Oh, Santa. Oh, lovely. In you go, thank you. Then we get some stickers. I'm liking this collection. Very, very nice. Oh, they're sparkly as well. So we get stickers. We get die cuts. I'm guessing the die cuts. I'm not quite sure. Let's take everything out of the bag. Yeah, they're die cuts. I wasn't sure if they were stickers or die cuts, but yeah, they're die cuts. So we have tags and sentiments, and we have, it's like stamp. It's got like little cuts there. So yeah, it's like stamps. I don't know how I'll get them out. I'm sure I'll figure it out. But yeah, we get them. Oh, this is nice. This is, it's not tracing paper. Vellum. Vellum. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, oh, I like this a lot. Very pretty. Oh, it's been squished a little bit, so it's got indents in it. It should be okay. I don't know what I would use the vellum for. A shaker, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Don't know. And we have blue... What's that? Not metallic. I don't know what it's called. It's just not coming to me. But yeah, it's blue. Gorgeous. And then we got on to our papers. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Can you see it all? That's gorgeous, that. And this. Oh, and they're single-sided. I didn't know they were single-sided. Oh, this is a pretty one, isn't it? Yeah, very, very nice. I am chuffed to bits with this purchase. I really am. And this card kit cost me, I think it was £25. And for the add-ons, not a lot of money at all. So I was quite surprised. I've always been scared of, you know, buying from Love from Lizi, because I've heard it's expensive. And you know what? It's worth the money for the amount what you get in the kit. I wish I'd have done it sooner. I really do. I like it. We've got a plain spotty blue. Oh, that's a nice one as well. Merry Christmas. And we've got stars. Oh, that's like there. Vellum. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, look. Santa with his sack full of presents. It's a beautiful tree as well. And I like that it's like sparkly and raised. That's very nice. And that one. Oh, what's this? Do you make stars? Are these stars? Dawn will know, won't she? I think they're stars. It's like decorations. I will have to definitely have a go at that. And then we have our card stock. Gorgeous. I'll not show you me face. So we have the silver mirror card. We have green. We have blue. We have red. We have a dark green. And we have a white. And I did get the add-on card pack, so it's the same. I don't know how many you get in. I didn't even count them, so it's probably the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6. So there'll be 6 in there because it's the add-on. So it's the same card stock, but I wanted more. And this is the add-on as well. So here we go. Let's get this out of here. There we are. So we have die cuts. I don't know, they've got like little folds in. I'm not sure what. Paper clips, maybe. I'm definitely going to be asking Dawn. Oh, little mini crackers. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be asking Dawn, you know, advice on the little foldy bits and everything. Lots of die cuts in this. Oh, there's some missing out of that. I might have to give her a message. I've got, let me see. bits missing, unless they're in here somewhere. They're not in the packet. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. Yeah, I'll have to message and tell her that there was bits missing from the die cut pack. Oh, we've got envelopes. Beautiful, beautiful kit. Oh, are these boxes or envelopes? Or bags even? I don't know. It doesn't come with any instructions. I like instructions. Not that I follow them often, but, you know, you like to know these things, don't you? Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I've never made these. And I've forgotten how to do it. Yeah. It's bows, isn't it? Yeah. We have more crackers. We have tags. Beautiful. Oh, look, we've got a big piece of vellum. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that's a little box. Yeah, it's a little square box, that one. I can see that. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. I think this is a bag. This is a pillow box. And I think this is a bag because it's got like the little crunchy bits in. You know, you crunch them down the sides. Yeah, I think that they're little bags. Some more tags, more envelopes. Oh, and we get the strips. Lovely. Some more bags. I think I'm right. Should I take one out and check, or should I just wait? I'm going to take one out. Impatience. It's not a good thing. I don't want to rip this. Very fiddly. Ah, there we go. And we will fold and see if I am right about it being a bag. Right. Now let me just finish with these. So you've got the 2 sheets of alphabet. So it's A to Z with numbers on as well. So we've got high case. We've got capital letters and lowercase letters as well. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Right, shall we have a go at this? Right, so I'm guessing I don't think there's any cutting needed. So I'm just going to fold everything. Watch me get this completely wrong. So as you can see, I think that would fold that way. Let me just fold these bits in. I think that would fold that way like that. Yeah, I think I'm right. I think it's a bag. And that would fold that way like that. Yeah, it's like a collapsible bag type thing. So, like that. And obviously it will be stuck together. So, it's like that. Yeah, I was right. It's like a little baggy type thing. Oh, aren't they cute? Put like little gifts in, like maybe a pair of earrings or something you haven't got a box for. Or a locket or key rings. Yeah, and you get quite a few of them. So I'm quite pleased with that. They are cool. Very, very cool. I'll put it in with there. And I must remember to message about them missing die cut bits. I'll take a photo and I'll send a photo as well. Because it is a bit disappointing, especially when you're expecting the whole kit and you've got some bits missing, and it's only one sheet as well, so it's not as if you can say, oh well, I've got another sheet to play with. That's not the point, is it, really? You expect the whole kit to be here, unless they're meant to be missing, which I very much doubt. But on a whole, this kit is amazing. I really do wish I bought one sooner. I really do. I wanted to get the November, and not this is the November kit. I think it's All Santa. I think. don't thingy me on that. But I did want the December kit. It's already out of stock. If I'm thinking rightly, that is. If I'm thinking wrongly, then I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm chuffed to bits with that. I really am chuffed to bits with everything that's in it. Oh, and I got these. It says it was an add-on, but I don't know what the add-on would be with. I don't know if it's with this or another kit. Sorry about the rustling, but they are like, what's it called? Not foam, felt, like felt snowflakes. Lots of different ones. They're brilliant. Got an extra little bit in there. They're nice ones, aren't they? Yeah, lovely. Oh, these are yeah. I'm chuffed to bits with it. I really am. But that is my love from Lizi card kit with a few add-ons. I wish I could have got all of the add-ons, but yeah, it'd just be me spending money for the sake of spending money, really. And I think I've got enough Christmas things now, haven't I? So I think that's enough. Because I did sort all my Christmas things out and realised that I had so much stuff, so much Christmas, like in my Christmas stash. Just not realised how much I've actually got, because I just keep buying. I can't stop myself. When you see something, you just want to buy it. I want it now. But yeah, this will be my last Christmas purchase for a while, I think, because I'm actually giving some away. I'm doing a Christmas giveaway. It might be already over by the time this comes out, I don't know, but if it's not, feel free to join. There's nothing to do. Just watch the video, really. I will link that video in this description box of this video, if it's still on by the time this video is out. I hope I haven't confused you. Confuse myself sometimes, so it's quite easy. But I will be back on. I will be back on to show you what I do with it. I can't wait to use these. Finally, I have some different coloured peel-offs. Yeah, not just silver and gold. But I did get a brilliant tip from somebody. One of my really, really nice, helpful subscribers. She is really, really lovely. And she said that you can use like markers, like permanent marker. I don't know if this is permanent marker, to colour your things in. Like, because I had silver snowflakes and I wanted gold snowflakes, and she just mentioned that I could colour them in a gold permanent marker and change the colour. So I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it, and I will get back to you whether or not it works for me, because what works for some people does not always work for me, because I don't do it properly. It's just me. Yeah, but thank you for the advice. Brilliant advice. I love getting advice. But you learn something new every day, don't you? So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to let you go. I'm very, very excited to use this. I really am. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.